about the market, about Muhurat trading, what we should do and what we should not. So first we will have Devarsh, give us an outlook on what is the market going from here and how do we take the market. So over to Devarsh.
Thank you, Sharmila. So let's talk about the markets outlook first, and then we'll share about today's picks. So what has happened is that as you know, we had a fantastic run from the COVID lows. Uh, we had about more than 20% profit CAGR for the last 4 years. So profits have been rising quite rapidly for the companies. Along with it, retail investors in the equity markets directly through stockbroking account and indirectly through mutual fund SIPs, we had a fantastic flows also. So all this culminated into a strong rally. Now, as we get into this year, the FY25, which in this Diwali, we are seeing that the earnings growth have now moderated to single digit. That means the kind of rally which we were seeing earlier have now moderated, and uh, with only few 7-8% growth. Despite that, flows were so strong that the Nifty has gone up more than 30% since last Diwali. So we had a complete re-rating of many stocks, especially in mid cap, small cap, and SME. And from those levels, markets were quite richly valued. And we had a correction. Many stocks did not offer margin of safety. We had a correction. Now we had a good correction from 26,200 kind of levels. We have reached 24,000 levels. Many of these stocks have had a fantastic drawdown, and now we are quite compellingly valued. Over a longer term, see the performance of the industrial sector, the upturn, normal monsoon, and the rural demand picking up, high capacity utilization, and very healthy balance sheet. Corporates have a very healthy balance sheet, and banks also have a very healthy balance sheet. So this is a cycle which is not going to end here. This bull market is not ending here. That is our expectation. We are having a correction. Once this correction is over, we can resume the rally. Now, just to share the developments. So we recently released our weekly report. I hope my screen is visible. Is my screen visible? Omkar, Sharmila, you can confirm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So today in the morning we have released this weekly report, and where we've seen that we are finding some kind of support near this 24,000 levels. And if geopolitical uncertainty or if very strong negative news comes into the market, then there is a possibility that we may fall down to 23,200 kind of levels. 24,600 to 650 kind of level could be a immediate resistance. So we are a little bit on a correction force. So it is not a market where we have to go aggressively on the market, but at the same time, this market gives us good opportunities to invest for the longer term and also start building up the positions on the MTF side. So that's the outlook, Sharmila. So, Sharmila, now I'll move over to our report which we have issued today. So, friends, I think Sharmila's voice is not audible. I'll go ahead. So, the outlook is that we have to gradually start building up the position between now and whatever small correction we have. And that's why we have released the new Muhurat trading pick report today, as we found that the markets are near the support and there is a possibility of a bounce back. So today, before the market hours, we have released this Samvat 2081 Muhurat Trading Technical Pick Report. Sharmila, should I discuss this report now?
Devarsh, yes. You can discuss this report, and this will be exclusively the Muhurat Trading picks for MTF, correct? If I'm not
mistaken. So all these 4 stocks which we have issued are available in the MTF. These 4 stocks are Axis Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, Stylem Industries, and Canfin Home. So here we have given the buying range, which is the first 50% of the allocation you should do near this price. And as markets are into a bit of correction, if there is any downturn, you need to average it near 1100 level. Our targets for Axis Banks are 1332 and 1403. And these are long-term MTF picks, which is valid till next Diwali. So as the market stands out, we feel that the banking and finance is the sector which is likely to outperform the market. Compared to all the other sectors, has taken a lead. It is relatively stronger. If you look at it from the balance sheet perspective, they have a very strong balance sheet and ability to grow. The capital adequacy ratios are very good. As the interest rates are going to cut, and we expect that Reserve Bank of India will start cutting rates from next calendar year, in the first quarter of the FY calendar year 25, we will see interest rate cut. At that time, I think that the banks will start having a lot of volume growth also, which will help our markets. So Axis Bank, large cap blue chip name, which we have recommended with a very strong upside target of 1332 and 1403. Similarly, Karur Vysya Bank, mid cap, small cap bank between 200 and 214 to 18 for a target of 249 to 269. Again, a long-term technical pick for Muhurat, Karur Vysya Bank. Two small stocks, Stylem Industry and Canfinome. Now, Stylem is as we know, it recently broke out and now has found support near the throwback. This industry, the home improvement industry and the plywood industry, we think that this industry is up for a cyclical upturn. And that's why we found that this stock has broken out with volume. So technically, we have picked it around 2200 you have to enter. Average, if it falls down due to some reason at 2000, 2560 and 2690. So clear upside is available in these stocks. We have also highlighted all these stocks where we have the stop loss also. So 1070 is the stop loss for Axis, Karur is 183, Stylem 1880, and Canfinome, which is the fourth pick, 850 to 860 you have to enter, and the targets are 960 to 104. So this report is available. If you want to, I'm seeing that there are people who are asking for labels. So this report is available on our website. It is available with our relationship managers on. If you need to study this in detail, please go through this report and you will find
Devarsh, I'm so sorry to cut you. There is one person who is asking for you to repeat Axis Bank.
I've already repeated. I would already saw it and repeated.
Yes. Okay.
So Axis Bank, I've already shared this. Any of you want to share any labels? If you want to go through any of these reports, it is available with our website. It is available on our app, and it is available with our relationship managers. So please go through that report. Apart from these stocks, we also released one more report for Diwali, which was our Diwali 24 fundamental picks. These all stocks are also now, as we have found that the markets have come to some good support, they are trading near a buy range. If you are a trader and if you are looking to build a position on the MTF side, these are the stocks which are available in MTF. Maybe Bank of India and Reliance or one or two stocks may not have the limit open, but others still we have the limits. So you can also start building positions here if you wish to build MTF positions. Wherever you buy, keep an appropriate stop loss as per your risk appetite. And these are the various targets we have. So all these stocks are allowed under MTF, and you can choose to invest in them, trade in them with appropriate stop loss as per your risk appetite. So markets are open and we don't want to take more of your time, but these things are available on MTF, the fundamental picks as well as the trading picks. I would recommend all of you to start building positions, start recommending these stocks to our customers. And if you have any queries, you can always get in touch with us. Sharmila?
Yes. everyone here on this, webinar, I would really like to talk a little about MTF. Now, if you look at the entire market position, MTF book size in the market is about 84,000 crore plus. So here we have seen a lot of appetite for our customers to come and trade into MTF, because that is where they feel that they can leverage more, in terms of their profit and also in terms of their buying power. So I would request everyone that since market has corrected, we may see a little more correction in case, possible. But yes, as recommended by our research, you can start building up your MTF book, because you have good valuations coming in and they're all available at good pricing. So any more queries, you can really get in touch with your relationship managers, or you can call up a customer care. We're all here to help you with your Diwali picks, and wishing you all a very, very happy Diwali, and also a lot more on Muhurat trading. Devarsh, you want to end the call with Muhurat trading, just to you know,
Okay, so we feel that the markets are attractively valued now, and that's why we have choose to come out with these reports. It is an appropriate entry time. Out of 4, we have chosen 3 from the finance. So focus on finance as a sector, banking and finance for your MTF picks. There, the downside is limited and possibility of making good money is there. As always, don't get overboard. Keep your asset allocation intact and try to benefit out of this opportunity which is available in front of us. I wish all of you and your family, very happy and prosperous Diwali and New Year. And we'll see you as and when there is any opportunity. We'll try to bring out such more webinars and more opportunities for you. Thank you all for joining. Sharmila?
Yes. So thank you, everyone, and wishing you and family a very, very happy Diwali from all of us here from HDFC Securities. And take care and do well. Thank you.